Yes, we are approaching Björno Sandarna and the beach called Stora Sand. There are also several beaches here in Björno, and it's a wonderful Tuesday here and National Day of Sweden. So yes, it took me 42 kilometers to reach here, 1 hour and 30 minutes approximately. So let's explore. And we are approaching Stora Sand, one of the beaches part of Björno Sandarna. As you can see, I'm carrying my bike also, so let's be careful here. So we don't fall because I have my cycling shoes on me. But yeah, it's gonna be a perfect day for sea adventure. This is natural reserve and it is a huge sandy beach over there. See? The name in Swedish, Stora Sand, means big sand. Big sand. So it's amazing. The beach is huge and out on the Baltic Sea, basically open sea. And yes, wonderful weather for this national Swedish holiday, National Day of Sweden. So let's get down to the beach and enjoy. Greetings from Stora Sand. This is one of the Björno Sandarna's beaches. This is in Värmdö municipality, and it took me 42 kilometers by bicycle to reach this fantastic place. Yes, it is 6th of June and national holiday in Sweden. Sweden celebrates 500 years of independence. And on this very same day, in 1523, Gustav Vasa was elected as King of Sweden. And Sweden got its independence from the Kalmar Union that was between Denmark and Norway. That's what I read. I'm not so much into Swedish history, but yes, 500 years since Gustav Vasa was elected as King of Sweden. And it happened on this very same day, 6th of June. This beach is probably 200 meters long, and you can also come here even by local bus from the public transport. It's bus number 429 that you can take from Slussen with final destination Idalen, and there is a station called Stora. And not so far from here there is one little port called Björkviksbrygga, where you can also swim actually. There are nice rocks, and also this is beautiful forest here, a nature reserve, and there are rocks from both sides of the beach. And yes, this is natural sand, pure natural sand, so it's pretty amazing. And I thought to celebrate the Swedish National Day on a fantastic location like this. It's not my first time here. I have been several times before, but I think it's first time by bicycle. Yes. So far I have been coming here by local transport previous years. But yeah. This is of course the Baltic Sea, and it's basically an open sea here. And it's pretty cold, not so many people are in the water, but this is probably the first time I see many people on the beach. And by many, here I can count maybe 30 people. But yeah, it's a red day, which means nobody works today. And it's a perfect day for a beach adventure. I'm already in the water up to my mid-waist. And the water is okay. It could have been warmer, I think, but yeah, it's still not official summer based on the calendar. Summer starts after midsummer holiday, which is in 2 weeks. So yes, actually the calendar summer starts 20th of June, and midsummer this year is on the 24th of June, Friday, the 23rd and 24th of June, correct. 23rd is a Friday, that's midsommarafton, and the day after is midsommardagen. So another red day we're gonna celebrate. So yes, today is beach day number 45 on my Sweden beach adventure, and today it is 21 degrees Celsius in the air right now, and it feels like temperature of 19 degrees Celsius. So yeah, pretty decent. Water temperature maybe 15, 16, I don't know. But yeah, we're gonna dive in. And since I traveled, well, biked all the way here, 1.5 hours for 42 kilometers, I think I deserve to stay here all day long and enjoy this beautiful national day. So, alright, are you ready to go with me to explore this beautiful sea here, the Baltic Sea, on this beautiful beach, Stora in Värmdö? Alright, we're gonna go down in 3, 2, 1. Woohoo! Yes, it's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. A little bit chilly. Oh yeah. Yes, I can feel the cold right in my brain, almost like a brain freeze. I think the body below the head is like okay to be in this water, but the head maybe once or twice, because you get like a bit of a brain freeze, because this is maybe below 15 degrees now that I'm feeling it. But I cannot lie, this is almost like Mediterranean feeling, and think if the temperature of the water will increase by 5 to 6 degrees in 1 month, it's gonna be perfect. Yeah. All right, one last time we're gonna go in for this footage. All right. Woohoo! Yes, amazing, isn't it? Beautiful, beautiful. So yes, to all the Swedes that are watching, happy Swedish National Day, 6th of June, and happy 500 years of Swedish independence, and 500 years since Gustav Vasa was elected as King of Sweden. To the rest of the audience from other countries, I hope you enjoyed this fantastic vlog today from Stora in Värmdö, Stockholm region, and tune in tomorrow for another fantastic location, beach location in Sweden. Have a good one!